JBSolis Rabbit Farm. Let's see if we can find baby bunnies. Right here, there's a lot of bunnies, and they are wet. And I'll show you this grumpy one, and it's all night.
Is it up all night? Let's take a look. Oh, you tried to pet him. That's great.
So, let's look at these brown bunnies.
Are they fat?
Yeah,
Okay.
so fat. That one's shy, that one's eating, and then that one's eating,
Pellets. Pellets. It's eating pellets. Rabbit food.
and they are so fat. And this one is
Okay, try
an
petting him.
eating fly.
Try petting him. Oh, you can't reach him. Careful. Oh, good job. Good job. Let's try there. In the
Okay,
wilderness.
let's go. This one is a black bunny.
Okay.
That likes to make the
Okay, how about the baby bunny?
a baby black bunny. That likes having a baby. And this is a big bunny. And it also likes eating dirt.
How about
This is a white one that likes napping.
napping?
And that one likes running around too.
There are a lot of bunnies here. Is this a rabbit farm?
Yeah, this is a rabbit. But this one is a staying bunny. This is a staying bunny.
Is it digging?
Yeah, it's digging a hole. Then, let's see if we can find more. Okay. Here, there's a lot.
Are they caged?
They're in their cage. And look at these early ones. They are so grumpy too.
Did they wake up early?
Did they wake up?
Because they're
Alright.
grumpy, right? How about this one? What can you say about these group of bunnies? This one, the one that I'm taking a video of. So what can you say about them?
Oh, these ones. Oh, they like staying together
Why do you think they like staying together?
because they're twins.
Okay, you say goodbye now.
Bye.
See you on my next vlog.
See you in my next vlog. Bye. It's a bunny. It's a baby bunny.
Where?
Oh, it's sugaring. It's sugaring. Right there. There's a gray thing right there. It's a gray bunny. Right? Right there. Right there. Hello,
Mga 3 days, 3 to 4 days.
I'm gonna pick this one, and it's gonna be good.
So, are you going to name them one by one? There are a total of 4 bunnies there. So, which is which?
I picked this one, Lulu.
What's his name?
Lulu.
Lulu. Okay,
And this one is gonna be Daisy Puff.
Daisy Puff. How about the gray one? This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be Poppy Pop.
Say that again.
Poppy Pop.
Puppy Pop. Okay. How about the one that Kuya is holding? Yeah.
It's gonna be Poppy Pop.
Puppy Pop again?
You choose one. Do you want
No.
So where is Puppy Pop? This is Puppy Pop. This is Lulu. How about this one?
No,
This is Lulu. Oh, you forgot. I'm going to name this Planet Destroyer.
No, this is Bunny Hop.
This is Bunny Hop. All right.
Okay, this is now what is it?
You want me?
Is it the black one or that?
So I guess we'll just never find out what their names are, right? Because we keep on messing them up.
Let's do it again.
All right.
Let's hold them and tell their name.
All right. Okay, you're holding one. And what's his or her name? Hop? All right. How about this one? This cutie one. Oops. Use your two hands. Okay, good job. Don't drop them.
Bunny Hop.
Bunny Hop again? Oh, the first one is Hop, and this one is Bunny Hop. All right. I'm sorry.
And this one's Gonna.
I think that one should be called Caramel. Yeah, don't you think?
It should be Bunny.
I think this one should be called Vanilla.
No, it should be named
Kasi siya sinabi mo. Kasi siya
Ice Cream Pop.
Ice Cream Pop. Nice. Good choice. Are you hungry? You kind of named them after ice creams. All right. All right. Okay. You name those ones. The grumpy one. Name that grumpy one.
Come on, let's see that one. Come on. Bunnies.
Careful. Be careful. Oh, good job.
It's running away. Let's see if we can find it. Can you hold them too?
No, I don't want to.
Okay, let's go in the little baby one. It's so sleepy. Come on, follow me. This is where the baby lives. Help. Let's just go in this road. Let's go in this road. Let's go in this road. One is a destroyer. Okay. Where the baby lives. Right there. Oh, there's a lot. It's so cute, right? Oh, don't do it close. Oh, let's just do it a little bit close. There's three. Whoa. And I'm gonna call them baby hops, hardy hops,